Hi, I'm Tori from Canine Body Balance, and we're going to go through 3 exercises that you can do to help improve your dog's fitness. The first exercise that we'll do is we will have a stationary dog and we will get them to shift their weight forward and backwards. Then the second exercise that we will do is some proprioception work, getting the dog to stabilize themselves by rocking them from side to side. And the third exercise that we will do is doing some lateral flexion, getting the head to come around towards the ribs. Okay, so this is our first exercise. I'm using some blocks so that the dog can target their front feet and the rear feet. That's not necessary. You can do this on flat ground, but all I'm going to do is just put the treat on the dog's nose and get the dog to reach forward, trying to keep those feet stationary, and then just go backwards a little bit, reach forward again, and that's it. So the second exercise we're going to do is we're going to have all 4 feet stationary again. Feet up. Up, up. Good girl. Okay. So we want the dog in the stand. That's it. And we're just going to rock. We want a little bit of something to rock against. So I can use my knee and my hand. Just slowly rocking the feet from side to side. Not the feet, the body. Just rocking the dog from side to side, stabilizing them against my hand and my knee. There we go. Done. Good girl. You get a treat. So for this last one, what we're looking for is we're looking for the nose to come around towards the ribs. Yep. Oh, so she went a little bit too far and brought the back end around. That's okay. We're just going to try again. Go get the treat. Ame. There you go. Okay. So I'm getting her between my legs, just because then I can stabilize her body. There we go. That's nice flexion, and the other side too. Good. Now we do want the front feet to remain stationary, so we'll try that again. We want the back feet to stay down. That was good. Good girl. Nice. Go get the treat.